Guys, guess what happened? I've been away from YouTube, like I think it's almost a month, yeah. But God, like the result is actually very, very shocking. Not like I'm not getting views, I'm not getting subscribers, but God, like I can't even imagine myself what I saw on my YouTube studio have, guys. Like taking a break on YouTube, right, is actually the worst thing ever. In fact, it's better you've not started a YouTube channel than you start and you actually take a break. It's like I don't even know what to say, guys. I actually made a video on this YouTube. If you are my loyal subscriber, you actually know the reason why I stopped posting on this channel, because initially I wanted to delete the channel, but then I made a video, I came on live stream, and people were like, don't delete the channel, leave it, keep on posting. But then I felt like posting on this channel at this point, like at this point in time, it's not actually very nice because I got struck twice. Then what will I be posting? And I created this channel February this year. And February next year, we actually make my channel 1 year. And that February next year, that is when the stripe will actually expired. And me creating a video, it actually limits my views as well. You understand? People don't get to view my video. Like like I get views, but not like that kind of views. Do you understand? So this strike actually has an impact on my channel, and that is the more reason why I've stopped posting on this channel. But guys, right now I'm very, very sad. Like, oh my God, like I'm really, really sad right now because I cannot even imagine the result I got now on my YouTube studio. Like everything is just dry. Like the oh my God, like let me just walk you guys through my YouTube studio. Anyway, first thing, I want to apologize to you guys. I'm so sorry about that. Right? I'm really, really so sorry. It's actually because I made a video telling you guys about the strike and I wouldn't be posting here for now. And I had to, create a new channel, of which I made a tutorial and asked you guys to follow me on that channel. And that channel is Affitech Digital Academy, right? So that's the name of the channel. I told you guys to follow the channel because that's where I've been posting video often. It's actually a new channel and I still need more subscribers. I need you guys help. I need you guys to subscribe, right? Let's put the same energy on this channel there. But then you don't have to opt out from me because I'll still be posting, because I actually know that taking this break or me waiting for this strike to end by next year, it's actually going to ruin my channel. And guys, I'm ready to wake up this dead channel right now. Like I'm ready to wake it up because what the result I'm seeing on my YouTube studio, guys, is very, very annoying. Like I can't even believe my eye. God, I don't even know what to say. Like I'm speechless. Like it's not good to take a break on YouTube. That's the only thing I can say. Whether you are monetized, you are not monetized, please don't take a break on YouTube. Even if you don't post every day, at least twice or thrice a week, that's 3 times a week or 2 times a week, it's actually very, very okay. Or even once in a week, self, to even keep your audience engaged, to still make them know that you are still with them. But just going, like, imagine me being off YouTube for a whole 1 month and I've not been posting. So let me show you guys how my YouTube analytics is. Imagine if I got monetized. I don't know what would have happened, guys. I don't know, guys. Like I don't understand. So let me go to YouTube Studio app. Sorry. Let me open the YouTube Studio app. Alright. So when I come here, actually I'm having subscribers actually coming, but not really like that. But I'm still grateful to God. Guys, trust me, I'm still with you guys, right? So you guys don't need to worry. I'm still with you guys. So when you come to content, it's not actually about all your content at a glance. Enjoy a streamline overview that brings all your content at this YouTube. That's not why I came, right? And I know will kill me with updates, guys. Oh, this YouTube is actually very, very amazing. Can you guys see this? They actually arranged my videos, my shorts, my live, and my playlist all in one place. It's nice, guys, but let's me go to analytics because that's the more reason why I came here. Yeah. So when it comes to analytics, you can see that my views has dropped, my watch has dropped, my subscribers is skyrocketed because I think I'm actually having subscribers these few days, but it's not actually very nice, guys. So these are my top content. Why you must delete your YouTube studio, all those stuff like that, guys. Here is where the magic is, right? So I now come to audience. Okay, I'll be having new subscribers. Yeah, when your viewers are on YouTube, this was actually showing, like, guys, I knew when the day was actually showing when my viewers are on YouTube, but it's because I've not been on YouTube for the past 1 month, and they updated this thing for the past for the last 28 days. So for the past 1 month I've not been on YouTube, so they have actually erase the data from my channel, right? Hey God. Hey God, though. The age that used to show nothing for the past 28 days. So that means to take a break on YouTube is actually a crime. Hey, I can't even believe my eyes, guys. You now come to gender, it will actually show, but what happened for the past, sorry, for the last 28 days. My gender doesn't show. You can imagine. All this one still show, but what this one are not like, it doesn't matter to me now, eh? You now come to what your audience watches. It doesn't show, not enough data to show this report. Should I cry for you guys? Guys, let me know if you actually take a break on your YouTube channel and you come to to revive the channel. You actually see this kind of update on your app, because why? It's very, very annoying now. So when you now come to channel your audience watches, it's still the same thing. You now come to, oh my God, see, this is very, very annoying. Guys, I'm so sorry. I promise you guys, I will keep on posting on this channel, even if it's once in a week or once in a while. I'll be dropping video, guys, because it's actually very, very frustrating. Imagine all the data that imagine all the data that I had. Well, since I've not been posting every day, everything just go like, oh God. So guys, I'm feeling right. I'm feeling so sad right now. Like I'm not happy within me. Inside of me, I'm not happy, but it's fine, right? It's fine. I'm sorry guys for not posting like that. But trust me guys, I'll be posting content back to back on this channel. And also do well to subscribe to my second channel at Afitech Digital Academy, right? So I also let me share this with you guys. Don't worry guys, I'm cooking something very huge for you guys. So Merry Christmas in advance. And guys, trust me, I'm cooking something big for you guys. And I know you can't wait to see it, right? Bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Mwah.